It's sprinkling rain, but he wants to be outside anyway. So here we are out here. He went back in. He took himself in, and then it stopped raining. I showed him, opened the door and let him see. So he decided, okay, we'll go back out there. Now it's starting again. But if he don't want to get wet, he takes himself home. Don't you, Miracle? Don't you? Yeah. But you feel like going for a little walk, don't you? Because it's a little warmer than what it has been. Isn't that right, Miracle? Let's go. Oh, goodness. I wanted to go here and look at all these growth on this. Look at that. Lots of fungi, however I've heard it said both ways. It's really bright orange. Where are we going to, Miracle? You want to go into the woods? Okay, I just want to stop and look at that. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Yes, that's your tree now, Miracle. You're leaving the woods? You don't want to go? Well, come on, let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way, Miracle. Come on. Come on. So much to sniff. Yes, that's very interesting, isn't it, Miracle? Come on. Miracle, you smell that enough. Come on. He says, but Mommy, it smells so interesting. There has been a strange Tom in the area. I saw it yesterday. So he has a lot to smell. Don't you, Miracle? Yeah. Anyway. I don't think he's going to be out here very long. I think it's just going to be more sniffing than walking. Thanks for watching, everyone.